Ever felt lost in a pharmacy or your own bathroom? Today, I'm giving you 100 essential personal care words that will transform your daily English. Stay tuned to master them all. Let's dive in. Perfume. Perfume. She wears a very sweet perfume. Comb. Comb. Use a comb for your hair. Razor. Razor. He needs a new sharp razor. Shampoo. Shampoo. This shampoo smells like fresh lemons. Soap. Soap. Wash your hands with warm soap. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Change your toothbrush every 3 months. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. I prefer mint-flavored toothpaste for freshness. Deodorant. Deodorant. Apply deodorant after your morning shower. Lotion. Lotion. My skin feels soft after lotion. Sunscreen. Sunscreen. Always wear sunscreen on sunny days. Mirror. Mirror. He looked at his reflection. Towel. Towel. Hang the wet towel outside carefully. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. This hairbrush is made of wood. Scissors. Scissors. Use these scissors to trim hair. Nail clipper. Nail clipper. I lost my silver nail clipper. Floss. Floss. You should floss your teeth daily. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. Use mouthwash for a clean breath. Cotton pad. Cotton pad. Use a cotton pad for makeup. Tweezers. Tweezers. She uses tweezers for her eyebrows. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. This hair dryer is very powerful. Enjoying the lesson? Please like this video, comment your favorite word, and subscribe for more English tips. Lip balm. Lip balm. My lips need some moisturizing balm. Aftershave. Aftershave. The aftershave feels cool and fresh. Hair gel. Hair gel. He uses gel for his style. Conditioner. Conditioner. This conditioner makes hair very shiny. Face wash. Face wash. Use face wash every single night. Moisturizer. Moisturizer. Apply moisturizer to dry skin areas. Scrub. Scrub. This sugar scrub exfoliates your skin. Mask. Mask. She wears a clay mask weekly. Toner. Toner. Apply toner with a small cloth. Serum. Serum. This vitamin serum repairs your skin. Shaving cream. Shaving cream. Put shaving cream on your face. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. Wear a bathrobe after your bath. Sponge. Sponge. Use a soft sponge for washing. Pumice stone. Pumice stone. Use a pumice stone for feet. Hairspray. Hairspray. Hairspray keeps your style perfect. Body oil. Body oil. Body oil keeps the skin hydrated. Talcum powder. Talcum powder. Put some powder in your shoes. Shower gel. Shower gel. I love this floral shower gel. Wet wipes. Wet wipes. Keep wet wipes in your bag. Hand cream. Hand cream. This hand cream is very rich. Foot cream. Foot cream. Use foot cream before you sleep. Bath salts. Bath salts. These bath salts relax your muscles. Makeup remover. Makeup remover. Use remover before going to bed. Eye cream. Eye cream. Apply eye cream very gently today. Beard oil. Beard oil. He buys expensive natural beard oil. Consistency is the key to learning. Try to label the items in your bathroom with these English words using small sticky notes. Hair wax. Hair wax. He styles his hair with wax. Cleansing milk. Cleansing milk. This cleansing milk is very gentle. Sunblock. Sunblock. Put sunblock on your nose now. Emery board. Emery board. Use an emery board for nails. Body butter. Body butter. This body butter smells like cocoa. Tissues. Tissues. I need a box of tissues. Electric shaver. Electric shaver. My electric shaver is quite loud. Hair mousse. Hair mousse. Use mousse for more hair volume. Hair tie. Hair tie. She needs a black hair tie. Bobby pin. Bobby pin. Put a bobby pin in here. Headband. Headband. Wear a headband during your workout. Hair rollers. Hair rollers. She uses rollers for curly hair. Soap dish. Soap dish. Put the soap in the dish. Toothbrush holder. Toothbrush holder. The holder is on the shelf. Vanity case. Vanity case. Pack your items in the case. Shaving brush. Shaving brush. He uses a traditional shaving brush. Bath oil. Bath oil. Add bath oil to warm water. Bubble bath. Bubble bath. Kids love a warm bubble bath. Loofah. Loofah. Scrub your back with a loofah. Hair straightener. Hair straightener. The hair straightener is very hot. To improve your speaking, say these sentences out loud while you are actually using these products in your daily routine. Curling iron. Curling iron. Use the curling iron for waves. Shower cap. Shower cap. Wear a cap to stay dry. Mouth spray. Mouth spray. This mouth spray tastes like mint. Dental pick. Dental pick. Use a pick for clean teeth. Tongue cleaner. Tongue cleaner. Use a tongue cleaner every morning. Body spray. Body spray. This body spray is very cheap. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Use sanitizer to kill all germs. Antiseptic. Antiseptic. Put antiseptic on the small cut. Band-aid. Band-aid. Put a band-aid on your finger. Cotton swab. Cotton swab. Use a swab for your ears. Eye drops. Eye drops. These eye drops help tired eyes. Contact lens solution. Contact lens solution. I need more contact lens solution. Nail polish. Nail polish. She chose a bright red polish. Nail polish remover. Nail polish remover. The remover smells very strong indeed. Cuticle oil. Cuticle oil. Use cuticle oil for healthy nails. Eyeliner. Eyeliner. She applies black eyeliner very carefully. Mascara. Mascara. This mascara makes eyelashes look long. Lipstick. Lipstick. Choose a natural color of lipstick. Foundation. Foundation. This foundation matches my skin tone. Blush. Blush. Put some blush on your cheeks. Powder. Powder. Use powder to fix your makeup. Concealer. Concealer. Use concealer for dark under eyes. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. This eyeshadow palette has many colors. Lip gloss. Lip gloss. The lip gloss is very shiny. Setting spray. Setting spray. Use spray to keep makeup fresh. Many of these words are compound words, two words joined. Notice how tooth plus brush becomes toothbrush. Learning these patterns helps you guess new words. Bronzer. Bronzer. Use bronzer for a sun-kissed look. Highlighter. Highlighter. Put highlighter on your cheekbones now. Face mist. Face mist. This mist feels very hydrating today. Night cream. Night cream. Apply night cream before you sleep. Day cream. Day cream. Use day cream with added SPF. Anti-aging cream. Anti-aging cream. This cream helps reduce skin wrinkles. Shaving foam. Shaving foam. The shaving foam is very thick. Bar soap. Bar soap. I prefer using a bar soap. Liquid soap. Liquid soap. Keep liquid soap by the sink. Hair clip. Hair clip. She used a large hair clip. You've just mastered 100 words, but do you know how to use them in a real conversation? Subscribe now so you don't miss our next practical speaking guide. See you in the next lesson.